Now today I am going to show you 5 amazing pattern of a 6x6 Rubik's cube. So the first pattern is going to be on your screen like this, cube in a cube in 6x6 Rubik's cube. So let's start. R2, F2, U2, R, D2, L prime, B prime, U, B prime, U, B prime, U, L, D, 2, R. So this is cube in a cube in 6x6 cube. See, this is also amazing pattern. Now double layer turns. See, R2, F2, U2, R, D2, L prime, B prime, U, B prime, U, B prime, U, L, D2, R. So this is also cool. See, this is 4x4 cube and this is cube in a cube. See this side. Now triple layer turns. See, R2, F2, U2, R, D2, L prime, B prime, U, B prime, U, B prime, U, L, D2, R. So this is 3x3 cube in a 6x6 Rubik's cube and cube in a cube pattern. See, this side also. See, this is also amazing. Now 2x2 cube. See, the algorithm is going to be on your screen. B2, double layer turns. B2, R prime, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R U R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R U prime B2. So this is 2 by 2 cube. In a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube. And this side also. This is 2 by 2 cube. In a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube. Now the last pattern is cube in a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube. So see this algorithm. So the algorithm is going to be on your screen with single layer. B2 R prime D R D prime R prime D R U R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R U prime B2. So see, this is a also amazing and wonderful pattern in the cube. Cube in a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube. See, this is shape. And this side also. Cube in a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube, in a cube. This is also a wonderful pattern in cube. So if you like this video, so you are also like, share, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel for more interesting and wonderful pattern of a cube videos. Bye bye.